everyone. I am here to talk about this bag. So I'm just going to review this bag. I also did a what's in my bag video. So if you're interested to check out what is in my bag, go check out the video that I posted before this. And for this video, let's just dive into the wear and tear and how this bag works out for me. I think for me, this bag is an excellent size because I'm a petite. I'm just 5 feet tall, and this actually doesn't look too big on me. So if someone who is shorter or equivalent of my height, or they think they're shorter, this bag is perfect for you. This also snaps out into two sizes, so just this makes it go bigger. But to be honest, these magnets are not super nice, so it doesn't actually hold the bag this way. It kind of flops back in, and this is how the original position of the bag usually is for me. The amount of things I put in here depends on like how well it this thing just stays in this position. So I just limit my things according to the shape. So if it's getting a little out of bound and if I have to snap these out, I generally don't prefer to do that. Kind of like it in this shape because it just looks much nicer and much more compact. I personally love that there are two kinds of straps. Many YouTube videos which mention that having two straps is annoying, but personally I like it because sometimes I usually use the bigger strap, but when I'm bored of this, I just can go directly to the smaller strap and just take the weight off of my shoulders. So I love it. And also, the amount of stuff this bag holds is pretty good. I think it holds a lot. Like for me, it's perfect when I'm not carrying my laptop. So I work remotely and I am a software engineer. So I have to carry my MacBook everywhere. Most of the days, I have to carry my laptop everywhere. But when I'm not working or I'm just going out for just meeting friends and I don't have to worry about the laptop, this is like my go-to bag, and it you can dress it up, dress it down, kind of a thing, but it will always look elegant. So I think this is one of my best purchases. So according to me, there are more advantages of buying this bag than not buying. But if you're someone who loves to carry a laptop with the bag, in the bag, I think I would just suggest to go one size up, which is the regular size of this bag, and that looks great too. And you have many color options. So for me, I went with the camel color for this one, and I was torn between this one and the darker brown. But I thought that that would look great on me. But when I tried this one in the shop, it looked so much better than the darker brown. So I'm extremely happy with this color. I'm usually not a beige camel color back person, but I was surprised that this one looks so good on me. In terms of like the entire weight of this bag, so I'm just going to put the weight and the dimensions of this bag right on the screen here. But this does not weigh a lot, and this, when I'm buying bags, that's my primary concern of how much it weighs. There are some beautiful bags that I have skipped through and not bought them only because they weigh a lot. So that's my primary concern when I'm buying a bag. So that's why I also own a lot of Longchamp bags, which are very lightweight nylon bags, and they are just perfect for travel and even for work. So if you're worried about the weight of the bag, I would say there's nothing to be worried about for this one. It's just perfectly fine bag, and somehow it feels like when I also carry this, it just distributes weight really well. So I appreciate that in the bag. So this is also my like second bag of Pullen, and I have been a fan of their brand. I like the chic designs, and I think it just works out really well for me. I have used this bag for a couple of months now. It's just been 2 months actually. So I'm gonna give it some time to check how the wear and tear is. So far, I think it's very low maintenance bag. I don't have to worry about it too much. There are times when you own a bag where you have to like take care of the bag so much that it's annoying to a point. But this bag does not fall in that category, so that's great thing about this too. So the one concern I have about this bag though is that sometimes if I overstuff it, the magnet does not click, and that's why it looks like the bag is just open. So in that case, if I've stuffed it too much, I just prefer to put a cloth, and usually that's a very fancy cloth. I put in a silk scarf on top, and it also looks great, and also silk does not weigh too much, so that just is not a concern for me in that case. So I just go ahead with that. So in my opinion, that's the only drawback about this bag, that if you overstuff it, it can expose kind of all the things that you have in the bag, but that's resolvable by keeping a cloth on top, or even keeping your jacket on top. That's my short review. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.